Welcome back to the maths online class. We have started our second chapter, trigonometric identities, that is for the class 10th, and here we are going to solve so many different kinds of the question practice exercises for you. See here, in the same series we have reached till the question number 10 and 11. Both the question, these are representing the different categories. Question is same, again we have to go for the proof, okay? Left hand side is equal to right hand side, again we have to go for it. But question format is little changed. Right now see question number 10. If sec theta plus tan theta is equal to p, then prove that p square minus 1 upon p square plus 1 is equal to sin theta. Easy problem. P square minus 1 upon p square plus 1, that I have, because I am starting from the left hand side. Always we start from it. And after that we have to solve this particular values. It will give me the sin theta on the right hand side. So see here, p square minus 1 upon p square plus 1. What is their p? What is the p actually? Sec theta plus tan theta. So that is the value of the p, and that value of the p I have to fill here. That is my first task. So in place of p I will write down sec theta plus tan theta square minus 1 upon same value for the p square again, sec theta plus tan theta square plus 1. Nothing else, only the filling of the values. And when I am going to fill this, so I am knowing that a plus b whole square, that is the identity, and it gives me a square plus b square plus 2ab. That I am knowing it, yes. A plus b power 2, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So I will use that particular formula here. So according to that particular formula, it could be written as sec theta plus tan theta whole square. It could be written as sec square theta, because square it is always written in between theta and sec. In between theta and sec, that square it is, that is the format to represent the sec square theta, that you are knowing it. Plus tan square theta, and after that plus 2 sec theta tan theta. 2 sec theta tan theta, multiplication of both, minus 1 upon same thing I will write down, only the sign is plus here. So without seeing, I can write down all the things same. No need to explain, same thing. Right now see. Right now what I could do. So see here, that one, it will help me. One particular identity it is going to be used here. What is that particular identity? The identity which is related to the sec and tan. So I am knowing that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. That is the identity number second. Okay. And according to this particular formula, another form of this formula, it is what? 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. From here you can see tan square theta will be transferred to the right hand side. So it can give me 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. So that 1, in place of this 1, I am going to write down sec square theta minus tan square theta, both in the numerator, both in the denominator. Right now see, things are little lengthy. From here to here same. So I am going to write down sec square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 sec theta tan theta. And after that minus. And that 1, in place of 1 I have to write down this. So I will put bracket sec square theta minus tan square theta. Nothing I have done actually. In place of 1 I am putting this particular value. Same, sec square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 sec theta tan theta minus, sorry, it is plus, so plus, and sec square theta minus tan square theta, because it is the plus sign. So without using the bracket I can write down, so sec square theta minus tan square theta. And right now you will see in the denominator, first look at the denominator, sec square theta plus tan square theta, and here sec square theta minus tan square theta. So this plus tan square theta and this minus tan square theta, it is going to be cancelled from here. I think it is okay. And after that, if you will see, what should be written? Again I am writing the same thing, sec square theta plus tan square theta, same thing, plus 2 sec theta tan theta, same thing. This minus sign I have to solve actually. So minus sec square theta and this minus and minus, it will give me plus tan square theta. See the denominator, sec square theta and plus sec square theta. So sec square theta and sec square theta 2 times coming, so it is giving me 2 sec square theta plus 2 sec theta tan theta plus 2 sec theta tan theta. Again see the numerator. Actually I have solved the numerator right now. So again see sec square theta and here minus sec square theta is coming. So again these both the terms, they are just opposite to each other, going to be cancelled. Again see tan square theta and plus tan square theta, it is also giving me 2 tan square theta, same like I have done before it in the denominator, 2 sec square theta like that, plus 2 sec theta tan theta, 2 sec theta tan theta. In the denominator you will see I am going to write down the same thing. In the next step I will solve it. Nothing changed in the denominator, same to same. Right now see, concentrate, focus. What 2 tan square theta and 2 sec theta tan theta. So what is the common term? What is the maximum common term I can take common from both the sides? So 2 is also common, 2 is here, 2 is here, tan theta is here, tan theta is also here. So from the numerator I can take common 2 tan theta. Is it okay? Yes. If I will take the common 2 tan theta from both the terms, so here what is remained? Only tan theta plus here what is remained? Only sec theta. Same thing I am going to do for the denominator case. So see what is the structure of the denominator. 2 sec square theta means 2 is also going to be common. So 2 sec theta and sec theta both are the common terms here. So again sec theta is going to be common. What is remained here? Only sec theta and plus what is remained here? Only tan theta. By looking both the numerator and denominator, you can cancel these both the things because things are same. Tan theta plus sec theta plus tan theta, because both are plus sign, only the one after the other. So when you are going to cancel this particular thing, and after that 2 and 2, this is also going to be cancelled. Only tan theta upon sec theta you are getting. So tan theta upon sec theta. Okay, where to solve? I am solving here in the question side. No problem. Tan theta upon sec theta. That tan theta upon sec theta. Tan theta, it could be written as sin theta upon cos theta. I don't think any problem will be there. And 1 upon sec theta. It is 1 upon sec theta. In the next time, you can write down sin theta upon cos theta. And this 1 upon sec theta, it will give you into cos theta. Because this is the reciprocal of cos. And after that cos theta and cos theta, these are going to be cancelled and you will finally get sin theta, and that sin theta was our requirement, you can see. So right now you can write down right hand side, and from the right hand side it is equal to, so hence proved. So this was the solution of the question. Right now see what we have done actually. First we have put up the values of p, and after that a plus b square plus b square plus 2ab, we are knowing it, we have done according to that. And after that one identity is coming into the role. What is that particular identity? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, because things were given in form of tan and sec only. And after that I can understand what to do. So that 1 it could be written as sec square theta minus tan square theta. I have put up the values in both the numerator and denominator. 1 I have put up the values, and after that one by one I am going to solve cancellation, and after that some common terms, and finally this is the value. Whatever the requirement of the question, we have got the same thing, that is the sin theta. So this was the solution for that 10th question. I am going to solve the 11th question for you. So be ready. Question number 11. I am going to rub the things. Look. Question number 11. What is the question number 11? Solution number 11, see. What is question number 11? Cos A upon cos B is equal to M given to me. Cos A upon sin B is equal to N given to me. So what we have to prove? We have to prove that N square plus N square into cos square B, it is nothing, it is equal to the N square. So I will take the left hand side, no problem, left hand side. What is the left hand side? I am going to write down n square plus n square inside the bracket. After that we have to multiply by cos square b. and finally we have reached what is our destination here, n square. See here, the values of m and n, it is giving to me, it is given to me, so I am going to fill it. What is the value of m? So value of m is cos A upon cos B. Actually I have to use the big bracket here. Why? Because some other things it is coming in the small bracket. The value of m, it is cos A upon cos B. So cos A upon cos B. And because I am using small bracket here, so definitely I have to use big bracket in place of this. That you can understand. Plus n square. What is the n? Cos A upon sin B. Whole sole square. Same thing, I am putting the values only into cos square B. Okay. Next step. Again, that cos A square, it could be written as cos square A upon cos square B. Come to the small bracket right now. This could be written as cos square A upon sin square B. Outside of the bracket, cos square B. Right now, see here. This can be solved. This can be solved how? By the cross multiplication, nothing else. So we are solving by the cross multiplication. Look here. Yes. Cos square A multiplication with sin square B plus cross multiplication of one numerator with another denominator, cos square B and cos square A, cos square B and cos square A upon cos square A and sin square B. Sorry, cos square A multiplication with sin square B into cos square B. Right now, see what could be done. See the things: cos square A, sin square B, cos square B, cos square, say cos square A. So in both of these terms, cos square A, it is the common. Cos square A, it is a common. So I will take cos square A common from this both the terms. So what is remained here? Sin square B plus what is remained here? Cos square B upon again cos square A, sin square B into cos square B. Right now you can see this cos square A and cos square A, it is going to be cancelled from both the numerator and denominator side. And after that, what is there inside the bracket? Sin square B plus cos square B. Both are representing the angle B. So sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Same like that, sin square B plus cos square B, it will give me 1. So right now the things are going in the simplest form. Nothing I have done. I have just put up the values and after that cross multiplication because it was coming in form of the fractions. And right now the situation is clear from here that I can take cos square A common term. And when I am going to take the cos square A common, so it is going to be cancelled from the denominator cos square A. And right now the things are coming, this I am getting cos sin square B plus cos square B and it is giving me 1. Right now the things have been already solved. See here. 1 upon sin square B into, it could be written as like this. This is going to be 1. So no problem. Cos square B. Cos square B upon sin square B. Finally I am getting this. Because it is going to be 1. So cos square B upon sin square B. It can be written as cos B upon sin B whole square. And C. This is what? This is the value of n. Cos A upon sin B equal to n. Cos A upon sin B equal to n. So I can write down in place of this n. So n square I am getting and that n square was the requirement of the question. So it is equal to the right hand side and in this way we can say hence proved. So nothing, solutions was very easy. Only putting of the values m and n and after that only the cross multiplication, solving the fractions and after that some common terms we have to take. And some identities we can identify that it is coming in the form of the identity, so it will give me 1. And after that already we can set the format of the question according to our requirement. So this was the solution for it. All the best. Try more question at your home. Thank you so much.